I thought it was you. I saw your ship in the harbor, the Nomad. I'm honored to greet you, Sinbad, and to see you in action. You're every bit as good as they say you are.
I'm flattered, sir.
You should be. I am Zabtud, the royal protector of the young king. So, what brings you to our quiet kingdom, Sinbad?
We're looking for a magician. Dinar.
Ah, yes. Dinar. Most unfortunate. I believe it was a fever of some sort. Many nasty boils. We bled him, but it was of no use.
He's passed on?
Yes, he's dead. A wonderful old man whose departure will be mourned by all in the kingdom.
I don't believe you. He's not dead. That's not what I was feeling.
Seems we wasted a good wind coming here.
Nothing ventured, nothing gained.
Perhaps we could stay and catch a better tide.
And take on some provisions as well.
You're welcome to stay. Please enjoy our kingdom's charm. A word of advice? Since the death of our young king's father, the people of this land have grown selfish and uncooperative. I'm trying my best to teach them otherwise.
You seem to be having some difficulty with that.
Yes, I like to think of it as a galling misunderstanding. You see, we protect the fine citizens and villages like this throughout the kingdom, yet these peasants reward us with cheating and other treasonous actions.
I understand.
Do you? Then I trust you won't be interfering again.
Sinbad, we're moving.
Sinbad, it's not over yet.
I hope not.
The sooner we get rid of that Sinbad, the better.
To the contrary, my dear Farha, Sinbad sails under the protection of the Caliph of Baghdad.
I say we hit them harder. I know they're holding out on us. I can feel it.
The signature remark of the unlettered ruffian. My dear Farha, you must become more sophisticated with your collection technique. You see, we must trim the bush, not kill it. By merely trimming it, we know assuredly it'll bear more fruit.
I have no use for these. I have everything that I want.
Someday, you will appreciate all I have done for you, Your Highness.
Preposterous and more preposterous.
I am sorry you're upset.
I planned on going for a ride today. When I got to the gates of the palace, they were locked.
We've spoken of this, my king. The gates are locked to protect us.
So I am to remain prisoner here.
It is my duty to protect you, my lord. We cannot have the tragedy that befell your father visit you as well.
Don't forget that his courageous blood runs in my veins as well.
We won't, Your Majesty.
I'll continue the collection in the north sector.
You are a friend of Dimdim's.
Yes.
He's mine!
Make this carpet fly, or this boy dies!
I have to catch him and chant another carpet.
The boy is safe, that's enough.
No one is safe if he escapes.
I'm sorry, I had no choice.
Then bring that carpet back here.
I have no strength.
You must try.
Oh,
You must.
my life, my magic is going.
Dinar, try to help us. Please.
right. No! This time I'll do the aerial work. Come on!
To the death! I can live with that! You're every bit as good as I thought you are. I'm counting on being just that much better. Help me! Help me!